poor corporate governance remains endemic within the banking sector, with inside loans, directors and shareholders continuing to be passive and having resulted in the loss of public confidence in the banking sector. It is the committee's view, Madam Speaker, that the council is responsible for bank failures as a result of unethical practice be prosecuted.
From a bid of almost 429 million, the 2014 budget availed 93,474,000 to the ministry, representing a decrease of 7.9% from the 2013 allocation of 101,494,000. The ministerial allocation is only 21.8% of the initial bid, causing some operational challenges on the ministry in discharging its mandate fully.
Last year, 90% of the drugs that were distributed by NATFAM came from donors. 2% came from the National AIDS Council. NATFAM, the government needs to seriously, the ministry needs to seriously put money there, because this donor dependence could be a danger on the program. Because if a donor pulls out things or no drugs, NATFAM has nothing to distribute.